What is it like to live in a $5 million condo?
Curious? Let us show you. Welcome to Meyer Blue's 4-bedroom premium. As you exit through the private lift, walk through the private foyer, you will be greeted by this. Right, with a dining area of 4.2 meters, you can easily sit up to 8 or even 10. So you can extend the living area all the way up to the balcony. It can be a bar counter where you can knock back a couple of drinks after a hard day's work, looking out over at the sea, or chilling out at the sofa, reading a book on a lazy Sunday. For the kitchen, you'll be pleased to know that it comes with a fully functional island that allows you to cut your cheeses and also to store your organic food at the same time. Of course, if you like to do omakase or private dining, this can be the perfect place for you to do your meal prep and look at your guests at the same time. One thing I really like about this kitchen is that I don't have to worry where I put my stuff anymore because you can see through them, and for this, I can find my cookies and potato chips with ease. With the service door conveniently located beside the kitchen, any delivery from East Coast, Juche or even Katong can be displayed here on this beautiful island. So as you can see that this is a really well and good size bomb shelter where you can also double up as a helper's bed. I also like how this study is being configured because you can actually have a really decent study area, and then when you're tired, you want to take a rest, you can. Okay, for this common room, there is also an ensuite, which is also a Jack and Jill concept where it links to the common bath. One thing I really like about this bedroom is that they come with a flushed wardrobe, and it's also really big. Because of the flush-in wardrobe, this room is actually bigger and has space for a dresser. Gessi is an Italian luxury brand founded in 1992, specializes in high-end bathroom and kitchen fittings. This wash basin is entirely made of 100% marble, showcasing Gessi's dedication to premium materials and timeless elegance. Now we are walking into the master room. You'll be wondering, where exactly is the 4th bedroom? Well, here it is. The 4th bedroom knocked down as an option, you can see that you can actually expand the living area within the master room itself and bring it to the next level. For Meyer Blue's interior designer, I think they really put a lot of thought in it, and what seems to be a dead corner in the past has now been transformed into a very usable space inside this walk-in wardrobe. Now really, what I love about this bathroom is that the ample space, not just for a nice shower, but also a nice bathtub. Doesn't this remind you of a hotel? I think one of the major draws for buyers to Meyer Blue is obviously the coastal view every morning when you wake up.
When you step out of the private lift at Watten House, you are already at the comfort of your own home. So take off your shoes and be greeted by this. The dining area is blended seamlessly with the balcony and dry kitchen, creating many gathering spots where guests can come together to interact. And because Watten House is a freehold residence, you can pass on this property and also the tradition of gathering your family here to your children and your children's children. So visitors who need to wash up can use the powder room over here, and after that, they can pop into the kitchen and get a glimpse of what is cooking. For cooking enthusiasts, they will appreciate that all the appliances here are by V-Zug. For example, this oven is recommended by MasterChef Singapore. The kitchen is divided into a preparation area and a cooking area. Okay, the kitchen is connected to the yard where the washing and drying of clothes take place. The yard is spacious enough to be a room for the helper. It comes with an attached toilet. There is also a home shelter near the kitchen, which can also serve as a storage area. The common bedrooms are big enough to put in a king-size bed, and because of the 3-meter high ceiling, it looks much bigger than what the other new condos offer. Both bedrooms are connected to the same toilet in a Jack and Jill manner. Just opposite one of the common bedrooms is the study, which comes with an aircon and window, a conducive environment for reading or for children to do their homework. The master bedroom in this 3-bedroom plus study configuration is huge, with 2 windows on both sides of the wall. Over here, you can even put a proper dressing table or your favorite massage chair. After a good bath, you can now look through the glass wardrobe and decide what you want to wear. So which home do you prefer to live in?
Meyer Blue or Watten House?
Let us know in the comments below.